H Wadag, the roll pan rising. In front is second by Maximum Impact. It's Maximum Impact in the early part of the race, followed by Zambata. Grand Fiesta, running by the Victory Ranger, then followed by Reign Supreme. Don Perry Gold. And as they make a first turn, Grand Fiesta took the lead by half flank. Maximum Impact is running by the wheeler. Maximum Impact and Grand Fiesta fighting it out for the leader. Flanks for the back in third, Zambat, then followed by Reign Supreme. Gallant Warrior is next on line. Victory Ranger, Don Perry Gold. Long way back to Ingay Zui's Buddha. And passing the half mile, it's now Grand Fiesta leading by some 4 lengths. Zambat now running in second, running in third, but the 4 lengths Reign Supreme. Maximum Impact, here comes Gallant Warrior, long way back to Victory Ranger. Inside the last 600, Grand Fiesta hanging on the 2 lengths leader. Coming close now is Zambata. Inside the last 400, Grand Fiesta, Zambat now from the outside. 6 lengths away, Gallant Warrior, Reign Supreme, Maximum Impact towards the final corner. It's now Zambat from the outside, leads Malang coming up now, followed by Grand Fiesta. Gallant Warrior is running by Royal Reign Supreme, Maximum Impact. And at the last 50 meters, it's still Zambat. And finally, Zambat, Gallant Warrior, Grand Fiesta, Reign Supreme, Maximum Impact. And Air the Truth, a long shot for it.
Well, yan nga po, unang tumuwid, as expected. Number 8, Zambat, 8 on 8.
So